Hey guys, it's Matt again. I'm gonna choose a car for one of my viewers and show them the cars. Which one do you guys like the best? Does this one look cool? I have all these. Here's a blue car, here's the green cars, here's the red cars, and here's the white cars. Here's a surrounding car. These are from Fast and Furious. And over here, these are from random cars. There's a bunch of red and yellow and a bunch of these cars. And here's, if you guys like these kind of cars, Mario Kart. If you guys like Mario Kart, I have a Mario Kart 1. There's only 2 left. And if you guys would like and subscribe, you get a Mario Kart. Here's a lot of the green cars, more of them. Here's a car, I only have 4 of these. And there's a school one.
See, if you want a cool car, you better like and subscribe quick.
If you guys want a cool car, you better like and subscribe quick. Because your cars might run out. All the cars might run out before you. I got a nice car, Lamborghini, a little bit. And over here is a bunch of FD. Mustang. We got Mustang right here, an FD Mustang. And I got a bus. I have a Hot Wheel bus. And I got an alligator car. I only got one. If you're gonna be the lucky one, you can come and get it. I got 4 Kias. If you guys like a Kias, you guys can choose one. I got 1 plane. There's only 1 of you and 1 plane of you. And I think that's it. And also we got 2 yellow planes. These are rescue planes. These are rescue planes. And these are jets. I've got 3 jets. And on Friday, I'm gonna give a viewer a car. And I'm gonna choose a car. And today we're gonna choose a car for our viewer. And today he gets this one. He gets this blue and black car, viewer, today. And please like and subscribe. And that's it. Hi. Bye.